stability even in demanding ramping applications. Watch now as it opens up the helical ramp out into this pocket. The tool runs at 6,000 RPM with a 64-inch per minute feed rate, a full 150% axial depth, and a 40% radial engagement. This showcases the tool's ability to move from entry to full pocketing with power and precision. This tool also features wiper flats, designed to improve the surface finish on the floor of the pocket. The wiper flats allow for higher feed rates while maintaining excellent surface quality. For the final pass, we switch to finishing the pocket. At 8,000 RPM and 60 inches per minute, the Z Carb XPR completes the operation with just 2% radial engagement, leaving behind a great surface finish. Now, we move on to slotting, a deep cut with 2 passes. With a 100% radial engagement and 150% axial depth, the Z Carb XPR pushes through at 4,200 RPM and a feed rate of 32 inches per minute, demonstrating its impressive cutting power in full slotting applications. Now for a plunge slot, easily handled by the Z Carb XPR, even at 150% axial depth. Another plunge slot, showing the tool's consistent performance under challenging conditions. Next, a ramp slot, smooth and controlled at 100% engagement. And now for a 45-degree ramp, where the Z Carb XPR excels with full depth engagement. Lastly, we have a plunge slot up front highlighting the tool's precision and stability. Try the Z Carb XPR yourself and experience the difference.